the smoking affects sexual performance, or how can quitting or cutting down smoking or minimize the adverse effects on sexual health?
Okay, so I'll try to explain it to him like this, that I get up from sleep and I now need to suddenly run 100 meters without any kind of warming up. So normally a coach would tell an athlete, please warm up. What is warming up? So he starts exercising, stretching before actual peak performance. During this warming up phase, the heart rate is increasing, the blood pressure is increasing, the respiration is increasing. So the body is transitioning from sleep mode to peak performance through a wakefulness process. Now, smoking is a stimulant, just as maybe cocaine is also a stimulant. So smoking while you are sitting in bed has actually increased your heart rate and your blood pressure. So somewhere it has energized you a little without you actually indulging in anything energetic. So, and of course it has central effects on the brain also, but so it brings about a feeling that, wow, I can, I'm ready to perform. But smoking has a lot of side effects. Even one cigarette can cause spasm and a heart attack. Multiple cigarettes cause contraction of the vessels, cause atherosclerosis, cause hypertension, can lead on to strokes and heart attacks. So smoking in the long term for sexual performance, in no way is it good. Even in the short term, in terms of blood flow to the penis, it is not good because it is constricting your vessels. It's a different matter that the person may be 20-year-old and smoking, whatever it is compromising in terms of blood flow, the erection is still happening because those blood the pipes or the arteries are still supple and open. So despite whatever negative nicotine is doing, the man is getting an erection, but what positive nicotine was doing to the brain and the body made him feel that it is improving his sexual performance. But it is not improving sexual performance, but it is altering his perception to an extent.